YouTube channel. Today I have a guest with me and
Melody.
Melody, the meat pie queen. So today we're going to be making meat pie together and teaching you guys each step and be very precise. So do not forget to subscribe down below, and if you have any questions, as usual, leave it in the comment section below and we'll definitely answer your question. So without further ado, let's get into the video and learn how to make meat pie from the pro Melody and from me. Let's get right into it. First step is to put 8 cups of flour. You can always do half the recipe, but for 30 meat pies we're doing 8 cups. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, then 4 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 500 grams of butter. And then just go ahead and mix it all together until the butter mixes with the flour and gives you a crumb-like mixture. Then I'm adding 1 egg, a cup of water, and then just mix it up. For water, just keep on adding slowly until it gets to the right consistency. Then I went ahead and added half a cup of water just because it wasn't yet at the consistency I needed it to be. And then just mix it up. Here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sugar because I forgot to add sugar with my dry ingredients. You do not have to use sugar if you do not want to. And then your dough should be this consistency, so it's not too hard. Then go ahead and wrap it up and just put it in the fridge for nothing less than 20 minutes. So now let's get into the filling. So I'm cutting 2 large potatoes. This is not cooked, nothing has been done to it. Just cut them into cubes. Just like that. And then 2 carrots. The quantities of all these depends on how much meat pie you're making. Then 1 habanero if you like it spicy. If not, skip this step. I'm going with half an onion. Then I put in 1/4 cup oil, and then the chopped onions with habanero. If you didn't cut habanero, just put your chopped onions. Then I'm using 4 pounds of ground beef and just cut it into smaller pieces just like that and fry it. After this has been fried, I'm adding my potatoes and carrots. This is still raw. A tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of curry, a tablespoon of garlic, 6 maggi cubes, and then salt to your own taste. Then here I'm putting 2 cups of water and half a cup of flour, then stirring it. And I'm just going to pour this mix into the ground beef, which I have on fire, ground beef with the carrots. And just stir, let it cook. So my potatoes were still raw, so I went in with another 2 cups of water with half a cup of flour. Stir and just allow it to cook. So now we can take this off and put it in the fridge to cool down. And once it's cooled down, then we can start cutting our meat pies. Now you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle flour on a clean surface and then cut a piece of the dough. Just knead it just a little and go ahead and roll it out. Roll it so that it's not too thick and at the same time it's not too thin. So similar to what you can see on the screen right now. And I'm using a cover, yes, a cover, pot cover, just to cut it out. And I'm just showing you how I did it again, using a pot cover or whatever cover you have, or a bowl. And then I'm taking the ground beef mixture I made and just putting it in the cut dough. Then crack 1 egg. Using a brush, I'm going to dip into the egg I just cracked and then put the egg onto the dough just so it helps to seal the meat pie so it doesn't open when it's baking. Then I'm going in with a fork to secure the meat pie and also to give it kind of a design. Here I'm just doing an egg wash, so I'm dipping my brush into egg and just rubbing it on the surface of the meat pies. These will bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, so that ends the video today. As you guys can see, meat pie isn't actually all that difficult. It just takes patience and you will be making the best meat pies ever. So let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, what you want to see me cook, and just special shout out to Melody for helping us, assisting us in today's video. I'll put her information down below and you guys can go follow her. So thank you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.